Make sure you watch the full video, don't skip it. And please subscribe, leave a nice comment, hit the like button, and definitely press the bell icon.
Imagine pulling into a campsite and watching everyone stop because a Kenworth motorhome looks more like a private luxury resort than an RV. Stay with me because the biggest surprises are still hidden and you will not want to miss them. Before we step inside, please like, subscribe, and comment which feature you hope to see first, because this channel explores America's most extraordinary luxury RVs every week. Now let's open the door, where the journey truly begins, and the first reveal sets the stage for everything ahead. The ground floor immediately feels welcoming, blending premium craftsmanship with practical comfort. A spacious lounge surrounds panoramic windows, creating an airy atmosphere for relaxing after long drives. Nearby, the modern kitchen combines elegant finishes with generous workspace, while the dining area invites family meals without feeling cramped. A stylish bathroom and discreet laundry space complete this level, proving thoughtful design can elevate everyday travel. Yet one unexpected room hints that this motorhome has far more waiting, so let's climb higher before the full picture comes together. The first floor shifts from practical living into personal comfort. The master bedroom offers generous space, calming materials, and expansive windows that transform changing landscapes into moving artwork. Across the hallway, a comfortable guest bedroom welcomes friends without sacrificing privacy. Nearby, a cheerful kids' play area gives younger travelers room to explore safely, while an organized office helps remote work stay productive. Every corner balances comfort and purpose, but an even bigger surprise waits upstairs. The second floor raises expectations again. A dedicated gym encourages daily workouts, while a peaceful massage room promises recovery after adventure. Close by, a carefully arranged medication room adds convenience for longer journeys. The couple's private suite creates a quiet retreat, and a sophisticated minibar provides an inviting place for evening conversations. Then the atmosphere changes completely as a private dance party club introduces entertainment without leaving the road. Just when you think every luxury has appeared, another unexpected space changes everything. An indoor swimming pool becomes the unforgettable centerpiece, reflecting natural light across refined surfaces. Smart technology systems quietly manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and security, demonstrating how thoughtful automation can simplify life. Even so, the most breathtaking destination remains above, and it completely transforms the experience. Finally, we reach the rooftop deck, where sweeping views remind you why luxury travel captures imaginations. Comfortable seating encourages quiet conversations, while open space invites sunrise coffee, sunset dinners, or peaceful stargazing. Instead of feeling confined, the elevated perspective makes every destination seem larger, calmer, and more memorable. Whether overlooking mountains, coastlines, deserts, or forests, this outdoor retreat becomes the perfect ending to every adventure. Still, one final question remains. Could a motorhome this ambitious represent the future of premium travel, or is it simply an extraordinary showcase of possibility? Many custom luxury motorhomes feature remarkable craftsmanship, but exact prices, specifications, and individual layouts vary between builds, so always verify details with official sources when available. What remains undeniable is the creativity, engineering, and ambition behind projects like this. They challenge expectations about what life on wheels can become. If you imagine this walkthrough was impressive, remember that designers continue pushing boundaries every year, bringing fresh ideas into luxury travel. That means the next generation could surprise everyone again. Before you go, Tell us which floor impressed you most and why. Your opinion helps shape future discussions, and we genuinely enjoy reading every thoughtful comment. If you love discovering extraordinary American motorhomes, subscribe now because upcoming videos will explore even more innovative luxury RVs, behind-the-scenes craftsmanship, fascinating custom builds, and unforgettable travel experiences. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep imagining where the open road might take you next. Every remarkable journey starts with curiosity, and every unforgettable destination begins with a single decision to look beyond the ordinary. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, travel boldly, support the channel, and we'll see you in the next adventure very soon, everyone.